Do you know about Dalton's atomic theory? If you are a science student, then you must have read about it. You not only would have read about it, you must have studied about it in your ninth class. But if you are not a science student, I am here to tell you what is Dalton's atomic theory. If I am allowed to tell you this theory in simple words, then I would say every matter present around us is made up of atom. And what is that atom? Atom is the fundamental unit of every matter. Basically, it's the building block of that matter, irrespective of its state, whether it's the gaseous state, liquid state, or the solid state. And what is present inside that atom? It's the electron, proton, neutron, and the nucleus. I won't be going much deeper into this. This is the only thing that you need to know for this video. Now, again, if I ask you the question, what is universe? What would you say? Everyone will give their own definition. Everyone, according to their perception, according to their understanding, will give the definition of the universe. But here I would be trying to give you my definition in simple words. I always try to do it in simple words so that you can remember it for the longer period of time, so that you can actually understand it, right? So everything, including space, matter, time, and energy, basically it's the totality of everything which is called universe. Now you must be thinking, on the one side I'm talking about atom, the smallest existing unit, and on the other side I'm talking about the universe which is continuously expanding, the universe which is eternal. Why I'm talking about it? There is a reason behind it. Now, if I again asking you the question that would you be able to observe the whole universe in this smallest particle, in this smallest existing unit, how would you react? Many of you would react like, how is it even possible? It is the whole universe and it is the smallest existing unit. How can someone observe the whole universe in this smallest existing particle, smallest existing unit? I am saying yes, it is possible. See, there are different perspectives to look at the same situation. There are different point of view to look at the same condition. If you are not getting the answer from one point of view, try to change the point of view. If you are not able to find the solution to any kind of problem from one perspective, just shift your perspective, you might get the answer. Practically it is not possible, right? If we try to look from our naked eyes and we try to observe the whole universe in this single point, then it's impossible. But don't we have the another perspective? Don't we have another way to do it? I would say yes, we have. See, what we feel, what we actually experience sometimes is much impactful than what we observe. Sometimes what we have inside our body is much more impactful. This is the thing that I would be using for proving my point. Let me tell you one thing. Are you able to see the air around you? No, it is invisible, but it exists. Are you able to observe the energy around you? No, it is invisible, but it do exist. In the same way, sometimes we are unable to observe that particular thing from our naked eyes, but it do exist in the reality. We just have to feel it, we just have to experience it. Now let's come to the point. As I have just explained you about universe, I have given you the definition of the universe, and I have also given you the definition of the smallest existing unit, that is atom. How we can actually observe the whole universe in this smallest existing unit. What I personally believe, that there is an energy that resides in every being, irrespective of its state, whether it's the living being or the non-living being. And you also would have heard about a theory in the quantum physics. It is said that every matter, irrespective of its state, possesses a frequency, whether it's the smallest particle, it's the smallest existing unit or the whole universe. And in the mythology, or you can say that when we go on to study the spirituality, it is said that everything possesses an energy and it is the part of something big, it is the part of that supreme energy. So if everything is possessing the energy and it is associated with something big, what I am trying to say, every being, no matter it is the living being or non-living being, no matter it is small or big, have some sort of energy. And this energy is part of something big. This energy is part of supreme energy. Means the origin, the orientation of the energy that resides in every body is same. And what is that same orientation? What is that same origin? It's the supreme energy. If you are a believer, you would say it's God. If you are not a believer, then you can say it's supreme energy. So what I am trying to say, that this availability of the universal frequency of energy binds everything. Now if the same energy is existing in this smallest particle, smallest existing unit, and the same energy is existing in the whole universe, can't we say that yes, we can observe the whole universe, we can observe the whole essence of universe in this single point? Yes, we can say that. It might be becoming a little bit complex for you. Let me again simplify it for you. What I am trying to say, that according to the quantum physics, every matter, irrespective of its state, possesses a frequency. Every body possesses a frequency, whether it's a living being or the non-living being. And then I'm saying there is the availability of energy in every body, right? And this energy is what we call universal frequency of energy, as I have just tried to prove it by the quantum physics. Now the spiritual concept says that all these fragmented energy is the part of something big, is the part of supreme energy. Means there is an essence of the energy, and that essence is same for every kind of energy that exists in every body. So the same energy is existing in this smallest existing unit, and the same energy is existing in that whole universe. Don't you think that if there is the similarity, if there is the similarity of energy in between these two bodies, can't the essence of the universe can be observed in this smallest existing unit? The answer is yes, it can be observed. You just have to think about it, you just have to feel it. There is also the concept of multi-universe. The mythological perspective says that there is the availability of many more universes, but till now we are only able to find galaxies, we are only able to find other planets, we are only able to find many stars, but till now we are unable to find the other universe, right? But if it has been said that, then it must have some sort of essence. I won't be going into that. I just want to make you understand by concluding the video that sometimes the reality is not hidden, sometimes the reality is not visible in front of our eyes. It is our duty to expose it. It is our duty to observe that reality. It is our duty to actually explore that hidden truth. And believe me, when you are able to explore that hidden truth, you will get a sense of unwavering confidence, a sense of energy that will help you to explore more, that will help you to do something better. That's all I have to say. I will be recording my next video after some time. Till then, stay awesome, stay productive. Thank you so much.